we'll unscrew this. It doesn't seem like there's much hair down there. Well, it could be all the way down there. So what I'm gonna do, you can't really reach that unless you get a long needle nose, which mine are all bent up right now. I'll just do one of these jammers. Jab at it, not too much. You know, you don't want to bust a hole through the trap, but get all that stuff out of there. Get this freaking toothpaste out of here. That'd be gross. And then same deal. We'll grab the plunger, the good plunger. We'll let it fill up a little bit. There's an overflow plate here. You see this down here, Rich? You got to clog that up. This is gonna blow air out through there. There's not always an overflow, but a lot of times there is on sinks. So you got to make sure you take a rag, clog that up, put a little pressure on your drain so it fills up better. Doesn't really matter if we run hot or cold water. It's the same thing. It's all about the plunger, like it says on the back of my shirt. Hit it a couple times. This, I don't know what that is. Get that out of there. Now we'll put this thing back on. We'll fill it up and test it. If you really are paranoid, you can look underneath this sink, make sure you didn't jam nothing free on the trap. Make sure nothing's leaking down there.
That's nice.
And now be careful, it might suck you down. That's how you unclog a sink.